nagalit sa akin. No, so very close ang ating speaker for the day. To introduce our speaker, no, he has a 37 years of cooperative experience and exposure, both national and international. A former pioneer staff of San Jose del Monte Savings and Credit Cooperative, where he served as a former director, former board secretary, former ethics committee member, and a former conciliation and mediation committee. He is also a former CEO of Bulacan Employees Credit Cooperative and PFCCO National, a former technical person of Cooperative Development Authority under Finance Cluster under ASIC Luz Ilinco, a certified trainer of Cooperative Development Authority, PFCCO Central Luzon and ACU, a certified access auditor, a certified Asian Development educator of ACU, and a proud son of PFCCO Central Luzon. Let's welcome our resource speaker for today's plenary, Mr. Hernan L. Palabian.